Hi everyone, welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Aloha. Today I'm going to be doing, or try to do, a Dutch pour, and I'm using these colors. I'm using a gray background, and I'm going to try to put the colors right here in this space. So this color is right there, and it's very thin. I mean, it doesn't leave a mound at all. Very thin. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. It's a used canvas. So let's go over the colors. These are very thin too, very thin paints. So let's go over the colors. So here's this color. Love this color. This is Creative Inspirations, and I just love the phthalo. Here's this color. That is one of my favorites. I love orange. Gold. Another blue. And the white. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move these over. Move this over so you can see it a little better. So, I've been pouring for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years now. Over 100 videos on my channel. And I still think the Dutch pour is one of the hardest pours to do. Why I'm going to attempt it and not just stick with something easy, I don't know. That's just me. I'm always up for a little challenge. Or a big challenge. We'll see. So, alright, let's just get started. Hope you all doing good today. Get some air bubbles in here. I'm going to save a little bit. I started good, but it still had that little swirl in it. You just pop the bubbles I see right now. Spread it out. Lots of air bubbles. I have to do something about those. I just stirred. Don't want to leave a whole lot of paint on it, not like with the pearl pour or other pours where you're going to end up tilting it off. With the Dutch pour, you're not going to tilt it any off, so you want to make sure the paint, there's not a whole lot of paint left on there where it might crack. My pouring medium on this one for the base, it's 50% Floetrol. No, I'm sorry, it's 75% Floetrol and 25% Liquitex pouring medium. That's my pouring medium for this, and then of course I have the paint, and then I add water to a very thin consistency. And for my paints, it's just Floetrol and water. Okay, I think that's good. Made sure it was level. So why don't you let me know in the comments what your hardest pour to do is. Like I said, mine is the Dutch pour. I don't know, I have a hard time with it. So I'm hoping today will be different. When you use thin paints, if you see something's like not level in the paint, it will level out as it dries if your paints are thin. If they're thicker, maybe not. Okay, let's get going. So Okay, this is a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm using my hair dryer with the little tip on the end. That. And we'll see how this goes. I think I'm going to start with the white. Go in with the, well, no, use blue first. And I'm going to go with the phthalo. And I'm going with the gold. Go with some white again. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm going to go with the orange. I want this to really pop, so I'm going to put it pretty heavy. And that's already a lot of paint on here. And this beautiful ocean blue. It's actually a phthalo green with a turquoise mixed together. Pretty cool. I like it. Now please pray for me. Please, please, please. Okay. Go ahead and put some, there's a lot of bubbles in this. Just going to put a little bit to help it spread out. I hope that's enough. I have more, so a little more. I don't want it stopping. All right, here goes. I have it on low. Dig in here. Some mark here. Let me just see what happens here. I like the cells that are coming up. Let me torch it. See what else we get. I needed to blow this out right there a little bit. See if I can get that. I always seem to overwork my Dutch pours, always. I mean, I'd like to do it to this one, but I mean, I have some great cells coming up. I love the orange in there. Really pops, but I don't know what happened here. It's sort of weird. And right here, it's like I didn't push it enough. I didn't push it enough down here either. Do a little bit more here. Okay, that's all. I don't like this, so I think that will probably be easy to colors are great. This is sort of cool right here. I like we're getting some lacing in here, some veining. I like that. I just don't like this right here. So let me try to figure out what I want to do. You know what? Every time I mess with it, not every time, but a lot of times I mess it up. So I might be able to live with the way it looks. What do you think? Do you think I should have messed with it more? I mean, let me wait about, I don't know, 15 minutes, and then I'll come back. We might have some more color under here, and this looks like it's filling in right here. The cells are great. So I'm going to give it a little while and I'll bring you back. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to leave it. I think it's cool. This part right here, I love that. I don't like this right here, but I think I'll mess it up because I like how this is right here, and usually when you mess with the Dutch pour, it doesn't turn out so good. And it's different. It's like it has this veining, and then you have these clusters of cells. So it's different. I like it. Let me go ahead and bring it down so you can see what I'm talking about here. That's cool. That is way cool. That orange, it is a mix between the red here, the Amsterdam red, and the Liquid Basics fluorescent. Sorry, you can't see that. It's fluorescent red. And then I added a little bit of orange, Creative Inspirations orange into that. And I need to stop going over my work because, as you know, you will drop something on it and the whole thing will be ruined. But that is cool. Forget the cells. I think this part is amazing. So I'll get a better shot close up with my phone. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. All right, here it is. That's a close-up. I think that had something to do with the white that I put in there. But that is, you know, cooler than the cells I got. But there's some nice cells too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Let me know what you think about this one. It's just one way you can support me. Till next time, keep on pouring. Aloha.